Okay guys, so today we're talking fractions, and I want you to be able to divide fractions using the traditional method. Let's start with an example. Let's say that you have 3/5 divided by 2/3. Okay, so when you divide using the traditional method, there's a series of steps you have to take. And so the first step is you want to make sure that both of your fractions are in fraction form, and they are. The next step is you want to take the reciprocal of the second number, and basically what reciprocal means is flip the fraction. So my first fraction is going to stay the same, and I'm going to take the reciprocal, or flip this second fraction. So 2/3 becomes 3/2. My third step is I'm going to take that division symbol, and since division is the opposite of multiplication, I'm going to change that into multiplication. And then my last step would be to multiply and simplify. So when I multiply these, I have 3 times 3, and then my denominator I have 5 times 2. 3 times 3 is 9, and 5 times 2 is 10. So 3/5 divided by 2/3 is 9/10. Another example, let's say that I have 4.5 divided by 2/5. So again, the first step is I want to make sure that they're both in fraction form, and so this one is already a fraction, so I'm going to leave that as 2/5. But 4.5 is a mixed number, so I want to make that into an improper fraction. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9/2. My second step again is I'm going to take that reciprocal, the second fraction. So 2/5 becomes 5/2, and my first fraction 9/2 stays the same. And my third step, division, I'm going to change to multiply. And my last step is I'm going to multiply and simplify. 9 is 3 times 3, 5 is 5, and then my denominator is 2 times 2. 3 times 3 times 5 is 45, and my denominator 2 times 2 is 4. Now I can leave it as an improper fraction, or I can turn it into a mixed number. 45 over 4 is equal to 11 1/4.